Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a very quick and easy crochet hairstyle, and this hairstyle is only for the bold. So if you're not, you can go ahead and exit this video because we like to be loud over here with our hairstyles on this channel. So we're using the Autry Expression 4C Coily hair mixed with a little bit of 4A Coily hair in the color 425. I like to separate my hair into two and take it out of that little elastic band that comes with the hair, just separating them. I think this makes the hair look more natural and looks fuller without using a lot of packs of hair, if that makes sense. So you just save a lot of money by separating the hair, and you also get the most natural finish. And yeah, so basically all you're going to be doing is just the regular crochet method. Just crochet your hair, take your time, separate the hair, and then just crochet like regular. And then when we get to our part, I will see you guys there. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. I wanted to do a middle part because I think that's more flattering on my face, and plus it gives me more versatility for when I want to do the bang look. So I'm going to show you guys how I do them. It's very easy. You just do the same regular crochet step. I mean, you can go ahead and do the invisible method, but I feel like there's really no need for that unless you really want to. But it doesn't make much of a difference because, you know, it's curly hair, and the hair, it looks natural still even with that part. So, and plus how I'm gonna wear it, it doesn't really matter. So I'm not gonna be doing the invisible part, but you could do it if you want to, you know, all the same, all love, you know, whatever you want to do. Okay. So taking a wide tooth comb, I'm going to be creating volume with this hair and just combing out the curls because, first of all, sweetheart, nobody's hair come out looking like a pack of noodles, okay, before you boil them. So you gotta like separate the curls. If not, it's just gonna look so like crochet-ish, if that makes sense. So you want to make sure you separate it, give it a lot of volume, give it some shape. So what I do is just take that comb and just kind of go through the middle, not the top really, but just like in between the curls. Just lightly combing it. Don't comb it too much to where it's like fuzzy unless you want that look, then you know, whatever floats your boat. But just lightly going through it with the comb just to create a shape and give it some sexy volume for this big red. Big red, that's what we're calling his hair. But yeah, you should be looking like a, you know, like you're in a rock group or whatever. Just taking a pair of scissors, I'm just gonna be cutting some loose hair and just further defining the shape that I want. Because I have such a hard looking face and round face, I want my hair to kind of have that roundness to it to flatter my face. I don't know, I think it looks cute. You might not, but I like it, so that's what we're doing. So yeah, just use your hands. You know, this is not like a step-by-step thing. It's kind of like you kind of freestyle as you go, and it's like whatever works for you, whatever looks good on your face, that's what you vibe with. So that's what we're doing. I'm just using a pair of scissors and my hands just to kind of brush through my hair, you know, detangle it, just making sure that it looks good, finding any stray hairs that need to be cut, and just, you know, doing the whole thing. But be very, very careful because cutting curly hair can be tricky. So you don't want to pull the hair too much thinking it's really long, because when you cut it, it's gonna bounce back so short you will be shook. So just take your time when you're cutting and don't cut too much because you will cut too much. Okay, so don't forget to apply your lip gloss because you're popping. So, and you're good. Thank you guys for watching. Have a merry day and God bless.